Hey y'all, back with some carbon fiber for the Z06. Got some new pieces for the car, so I'm going to show you the pieces real quick and I'll show you where it goes. So this is the new carbon fiber. This is the center console trim from EOS, Extreme Online Store. Put a sticker right here. So like usual, I'll show you guys some close-ups, show you where it goes in the car like I said, and then some before and after videos. And then at the end, I'll just give you my thoughts. So these are covers. You don't have to take anything off. All you do is you take the 3M tape from the carbon fiber and you're just placing them on top of your OEM center console. So I'm not going to show you guys me doing that, but I will show you what it looks like after I place it on. As you can see, it came out pretty great. A lot of the pieces flex, so just kind of measure it up before you take the 3M tape off, and you kind of got to flex it into place and press down, maybe hold for about 30 seconds so it stays into wherever you're placing it. Like I said, before you take the tape off and start flexing it in place, put it on top of the center console just as it is, just to kind of measure out where exactly you need to put it. Besides that, that's it for the video, so thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all that. Like always, I appreciate that. See you next time.